may call in Mr. Eric De La Cruz. Wala pa tayong mga kapisan. Once again, for fifth dance, Mr. Eric De La Cruz. Sabi ni Steph, si Kuya Eric daw yung isa sa pinakamatalinong lalaki na nakilala niya. For her sixth process, may I call in Mr. Benjamin Barcenas. Sabi ni Steph, yan daw yung sopladong gwapo. May masabi lang kami dito.
Kumuli mo agad. Pagkago mo natin ako dito magod yung ilaw.
Isa rin daw siya sa pinaka-funniest person na nakilala niya. For the second rose, may we call on Mr. Pan Ramos.
Steph, tingnan dito, Steph, oh.
Mr. Pan Ramos is one of her classmates. According to our debutant, siya daw yung pinaka-gentleman na person na nakilala niya. Once again, the second rose, Mr. Pan Ramos. Let's give them a big round of applause. For the eighth rose, may I call in Mr. Joseph Basas. According to Miss Stephanie Ann, siya daw yung taong tahimik pero may pagkamayabang. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Kapag na pabor ang 4A. Tama.
Steph, tingnan dito, Steph, oh.
For her ninth dance, may I call in Mr. Joey Bliss. According to Miss Stephanie Ann, achievements and responsibilities. Aside from that, according to our debutante, he is also a person who is industrious
Atras pare.
and honest. Once again, our ninth rose, Mr. Joey Breeze.
Atras pare.
And for the 10th rose, may I call in Mr. Brett Jericho Tapang.
Tingin lang dito.
Mr. Brett Jericho Tapang po ay ang kanyang pamangkin. According to Miss Stephanie, Mr. Brett Jericho ay ang pinakamabait na pamangkin ni Stephanie. Once again, our 10th rose, Mr. Jericho Brett Tapan. And for our 11th rose, may I call in Mr. Japet. According to Miss Stephanie Ann, mabait din daw yan, pero minsan may pagkakulit din katulad ni Mr. Edward Paes. Nasa loob daw yung kulo, kumbaga. Once again, our 11th rose, Mr. Japet Moraga. And for the 12th rose, may I call in Mr. Ronald J. Magbanwa. Si Mr. Ronald Magbanwa po ay kinakapatid ng ating debutante. At syempre, according to her, isa daw yan sa pinakamabait na kinakapatid niya. Ay ex of our classmate, Miss Irene Lani. And of course, the present boyfriend, my friend, Miss Ann Clarence Olido. Pinakilala. Once again, our 12th dance, Mr. Ronald J. Magbanwa. I call in Mr. Daryl Chavez. According to Miss Stephanie Ann, Mr. Daryl Chavez is kulit daw pero seryoso. Naniniwala ba kayo doon? Ay, hindi sila Once again, our 13th rose, Mr.